big box. PlayStation. In the big box, there's something for the PlayStation. Does anybody have a knife?
Go and get one.
So sad. Well, I came prepared for this video, didn't I? I'll use a pen. Where'd the pen go?
Nan said, I'll give you this one because it might be all packed to the top.
Okay.
Shall I record it for you?
Yeah, sure. Why this knife?
I don't know. Papa, I don't know.
Oh, that might work. I mailed myself in a box and it actually worked.
You didn't.
I did. I promise. I don't quite know how to do this.
Yeah, let me do it.
It's not that, it's just that the knife's not thing enough.
There we go. Told you. That would be so satisfying. That would be so satisfying if you actually had a sharp knife.
Oh, thank God it's not filled to the top.
Oh.
Ooh. Oh. So this is the Rocker gaming chair by Rocker. Jesus Christ.
Is it massive? Oh, I want that box.
Okay. Don't stop recording yet.
If you recorded for 2 minutes, well, 3 minutes
Ooh,
now.
that's nice.
2 minutes now. 3 minutes actually.
Okay, let's compare it to my old chair then. Oh yeah.
Is it fire? Is it
It says it's
fire resistant?
Fire resistant.
Let me zoom in on that. Come here.
I don't want to zoom in on my control. Okay guys, this is the Rocker chair.
I've seen it.
No, you're not allowed on YouTube. Bye.